Welcome back students to these online classes. Today is the continuation of the previous topic, that is how to find the inverse of a matrix by elementary operations. Last time I have told about 2 cross 2 matrix. Now today we are going to discuss regarding a 3 cross 3 matrix. Before proceeding, let me tell you regarding the W rule for a 3 cross 3 matrix. Last time I have told you I start from this statement, that is A into A inverse equals to I, and then my target is to bring this one I, and this one is A inverse, and this one will be the modified one. That means my target is to convert this to I. I is nothing but 1 0 0 for a 3 cross 3 matrix, 0 0 1. This is called the identity matrix. So my basic target is to convert any matrix A to I. But how to convert? Suppose I will give you A as 2 3 4 1 2 3 and 1 9 7. Then I will go in this manner, W rule. That means first I will go to this one here, like this, then like this, then like this. That means my target is to make this one first 1, next 0 0, then I'll go like this. This is 0 1 and 0. Then after that I'll proceed like this, 1 0 and 0. This is the sequence. This, then you come to this. This is 0 0 and 0. Then you come to this and proceed like this. So this rule, look at this structure, this is looking like a W structure, that is why this rule is called a W rule. So I should follow like this and follow this pattern while solving a question or to find the inverse of a 3 cross 3 matrix using elementary operations. Before proceeding, let me remind you some basic operations. Yesterday I have told you regarding first operation is any column or any row R1 or Ri can be exchanged with Rj. Next, any row can be exchanged with k into that row. Next, last one is the most important one. This is Ri plus k into Rj. That means the same row and a scalar multiple of another row. So that will be more clear if I take up a question. Please see. So the question will be like this: obtain the inverse of the following matrix using elementary operations. So let me solve this question for you. Our basic step or first step is to find determinant of A. For determinant, if you recall, first I will take the sign convention. This is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. Then I will write 0 here and I write the remaining. You remove the row and column containing 0. The remaining things are 2, 3, 1, 1. Then minus 1 comes over here. Next, delete the row and column containing 1. Next it is 1, 3, 3 and 1. Then plus 2 comes. Again delete the row and column containing 2. What I am getting? 1, 2 and 3, 1. Next, let us calculate this. This is 0 into 2 minus 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 9, again plus 2 whole into 1 minus 6. So this is 0 into minus 1 into minus 8 plus 2 into minus 5. That is 0 plus 8 minus 10, which is minus 2, and it is not equal to 0. So under this circumstance, A inverse exists. You have to see and say that A inverse exists. Now after the existence of A inverse, now let us proceed further how to find A inverse by using elementary operations. So you start with this statement. We know here A into A inverse is always equal to I. Then my target is to convert this A into I. That means my target is this expression. I have to get an expression I into A inverse equals to something. So this is my target. So then I will proceed. Okay. So in the next page, let me start it. Very carefully you have to do the things. Here we know A into A inverse, it is equal to I. So now let me proceed this one. Let's divide this one into two parts. Okay, next you write the value of A over here, and A inverse equals to I. I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0, right? So let me show it. What is the value of A? 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1. This is 0 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1. Let me recheck it. 0 1 2 1 2 3 and 3 1 1. This is 0 1 2 1 2 3 and 3 1 1. Okay, it's all right. Now let us proceed. Now our W rule says that this must be 1. I should target this one first. So how to make this one 1? I have 1 already in the second row. So first thing what I will do is I will convert row 1 as row 1 plus row 2. Now look at the expression. Row 1 elements will be replaced by row 1 plus row 2. This is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 2, then 2 plus 3. Row 2 no change. This is 3 1 1 into A inverse. Again row 1 plus row 2, that is 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1 and 0 plus 0. Then row 2 no change, 0 0 1. So I am having now 1, this one is 3 and this one is 5. This is again 1 2 3 and this is 3 1 1 into A inverse. It is equal to, this one will become 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now again I will target this one. I should try to make it 0. So that can be done if I replace row 2 by row 2 minus row 1. Let us see how it is done. 1 3 5, there is no change in row 1. Row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 1. So it will be 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3, again 3 minus 5. Again there is no change in row 3, 3 1 1 into A inverse. It is equal to row 1 no change, 1 1 0. This is row 2 minus row 1. This is 0 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0 minus 0, 0 0 1. So I get here 1 3 5. This is 0 minus 1 minus 2. This is 3 1 and 1 into A inverse. It is equal to 1 1 0 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now next my target should be, this one should be made 0, because W rule this and then this comes. After this comes. So for that what I will do, watch carefully, row 3 will be replaced by row 3 minus thrice of row 1. Okay, let me see how to put the values. 1 3 5, row 1 no change, row 2 also no change, but row 3 is row 3 minus thrice of row 1, that is 3 minus thrice row 1 element is 1. Then again 1 minus thrice of row 2 row 1 element is 3. Then 1 minus thrice of 5. This is thrice of row 1 element. It is equal to into A inverse row 1 no change, row 2 minus 1 0 0, then 0 minus 3 times row 1 element is 1, again 0 minus 3 times row 1 element is 1, and last one is 1 minus 3 times 0. Okay, so then write the values here. This is 1 3 5 0 minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus 3 it becomes 0, 1 minus 9 it is minus 8, 1 minus 15, that is minus 14, into A inverse, it is equal to 1 1 0 minus 1 0 0. This is 0 minus 3, which is minus 3, again 0 minus 3, again it is minus 3. Next it is 1 minus 0, which is 1, right? Now next is, after making this one, I should try to make this one as 0, minus 8 as 0, by using row 2. So for that, what I will do, our row 3, it will be replaced by, first let us change row 2. You see, row 2 will be replaced by minus of row 2. I can do that also. 1 3 5 0 minus of row 2, it is 1, and 2 0 minus 8 minus 14. Now you must have told I should have targeted minus 8, but I have targeted now minus 1 because it is easier. Minus 1 is there, so I can make easily. So the W rule you can make change also. There is not a fixed rule that you have to follow. That makes your work easier, but as per your convenience you can do the things. Now here row 2 will be, row 1 no change, this is 1 0 0, and this is minus 3 and 1. Okay, so now let me see, your row 3 will be replaced by row 3 plus 8 times row 1. Okay, so let us see, 1 3 5, row 1 there is no change, 0 1 2, there is also no change in row 2, but row 3, that is 0 plus 8 times, it is not row 1, it is row 2. 8 times row 2 element is 0, then minus 8 plus 8 times row 2 element is 1, minus 14 plus 8 times row 2 element is 2, into A inverse, it is equal to 1 1 0, there is no change in this, 1 0 0, then minus 3 plus 8 times row 2 element is 1, again minus 3 plus 8 times row 2 element is 0, 1 plus 8 times it is 0. So at last I am getting 1 3 5 0 1 2, and this is 0, and this is also 0, and this is minus 14 plus 16, which is 2, into A inverse, it is equal to 1 1 0 1 0 0, minus 3 plus 8, it is 5, minus 3 plus 0, which is minus 3, 1 plus 0, it is equal to 1. Okay, so now let me proceed further. Here, then what I will do, let me take another page for solving this one. Let me write this one, 1 3 5 0 1 2 0 0 2. One 3 5, next it is 0 1 2 0 0 2, next I will have 0 1 2, next it is 0 0 2, into A inverse, it is equal to 1 1 0 1 0 0 5 minus 3 1, this is equal to 1 1 0 1 0 0 5 minus 3 1. Okay, now next my target is to make this one 0. So for that, what I will do, row 1 will be replaced by row 1 minus 3 times row 2. So 1 minus 3 times row 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 times row 1 is row 2 is 1, 5 minus 3 times row 2 element is 2, and this is 0, 1, 2, this is 0, 0, 2, multiplied by A inverse, it is equal to, again in the right hand side, 1 minus 3 times 1, then 1 minus 3 times 0, this is 0 minus 3 times 0, again it is 1, 0, 0, then it is 5 minus 3 and 1, right? So I get here 1 minus 3, this is 1, this is 3 minus 3 which is 0, 5 minus 6 which is minus 1, this is 0, 1, 2, and this is 0, 0, 2, multiplied by A inverse, it is equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, 1 minus 0, it is 1, 0 minus 0, it is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, and 5 minus 3, 1. Now I have almost completed this one. Next I will try to make this one as 1. The real challenge starts. Now fraction comes. For that, what I will do, row 3 will be replaced by 1/3 of row 3. So let us see. Sorry, not 1/3, it is 1 by 2, because I want to make this element as 1. So for that, what I will do, this is 1, 0, minus 1, next 0, 1, 2, 0, half of row, the half of 0 it is 0, half of 0, half of 2 it is equal to 1, into A inverse, it is equal to, what I will have, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, then half of this is 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and 1 by 2. Next I have to make this one 0. So for that, what operation do I take is, row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus twice of row 1. Okay, so let us see. Row 1, there is no change in that. Okay, if I have, there is no change in row 1. There is row 2, row 1 no change, 1, 0, minus 1, this is 0 minus twice into 0, 1 minus twice into 0, 2 minus 2 into 1, this is 0, 0, 1 into A inverse, it is equal to minus 2, 1, 0, 1 minus twice of 5 by 2. Sorry, 1 minus, I have made it wrong actually, students. Here you see, I have to go back. Row 2 is here, row 2 minus twice of row 3 actually. So it is 1, 0, minus 1, 0 minus twice of 0, 1 minus twice of 0, and 2 minus twice of 1. This is 0, 0, and 1 into A inverse. It is equal to minus 2, 1, 0. Then row 2, 1 minus twice of row 3, that is 5 by 2. Then 0 minus twice of minus 3 by 2. Then it is 0 minus twice of 1 by 2. This is 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 2. So now I get 1, 0, minus 1, this is 0, this is 1 minus 0 which is 1, 2 minus 2 which is 0, again it is 0, 0, 1 into A inverse, it is equal to, let us calculate, minus 2, 1, 0, then 1 minus 5 which is minus 4, 0, 2 getting cancelled, it will be plus 3, again 0 minus 1 which is minus 1, again 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, and the last step, is left this one, I have to make this one as 0. So for that a simple operation, row 1 is replaced by row 1 plus row 3. So row 1 is replaced 1 plus 0, then 0 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1. This is 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A inverse. It is equal to minus 2 plus 5 by 2, 1 plus minus 3 by 2, 0 plus half. This is minus 4 3 minus 1, again 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So what I get is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 multiplied by A inverse. It is equal to minus 4 plus 5, which is 1 by 2, then minus 1 by 2, again 1 by 2, minus 4 3 minus 1, next 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Children, since this is I, so I into anything will be that matrix only. So at last A inverse is nothing but I get, this will be, you see, that implies I into A inverse, it is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 4 3 minus 1 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So I into A inverse, it is equal to A inverse. So I get half minus half 1 by 2, again minus 4 3 minus 1 and 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. This is the value of A inverse. So you have to see this video repeatedly for grasping this. It is a difficult concept, so you have to do it very carefully, right? Now let me take up another question. Question number 16, you see 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 5. Okay, so let me take this question. Right, this is our A. First my duty is to find determinant of A, and A is 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. I'll be a little bit fast here. So determinant of A, that is equal to 2. You remove the row and column containing 2. This is 1 0 and 1 3 minus 0 into remove the row and column containing 0. This is 5 0 0 and 3, then plus minus 1, remove the row and column containing this one, so 5 1 0 1. This is equal to 2 into 0, sorry, 3 minus 0, 2 into 3 minus 0 whole into 15 minus 0 plus minus 1 whole into 5 minus 0. This is equal to 2 into 3 minus 0 into 15 plus minus 1 into 5. So it is 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1. Therefore A inverse exists. Then what you will do, you will take this matrix 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 and 0 1 3. Okay, so Let me take another page and solve this one. Now to find A inverse, we know A into A inverse, it is equal to I. So for A, I will put 2, 0, minus 1. This is again 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3 multiplied by A inverse, it is equal to I. I is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Okay. So let me give a mark over here for discrimination of partition. Now my target is to make this one 1 first. So for that, what I will do, I will multiply row 1. It is replaced by half of row 1. So for that, it will be 1, 0 minus half, 5, 1, 0, 0, 1, 3 multiplied by A inverse, half of row 1. It is half, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Right. So now here I have to make this one 0, 5 I have to make 0, that means row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus 5 times row 1. So I will have no change in row 1, that is 1, 0 minus 2. Now this is 5 row 2 minus 5 times row 1. See this 5 minus 5 times 1, that will be 0, 1 minus 5 times 0, that will be equal to 1, 0 minus 5 times minus half, which will be equal to 5 by 2, then 0, 1, 3 multiplied by A inverse, it is equal to half, 0, 0, 0 minus 5 times 1 by 2, that is minus 5 by 2. You can do it in rough also. If you are not understanding, try to do it in rough and understand it. Then row 2, this is 1 minus 5 times row 1, this is 0 and again it is 0, 0, 1. Right. Next 1, 0, 0 I have made, this one has also become 1, so I have to convert this one to 0. So for that, what I will do, row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 2. Okay, so it is 1, 0 minus half, 0, 1, 5 by 2, this minus row 2, that is 0, 1 minus 1, it is equal to 0, then 3 minus 5 by 2. So in rough you do it 3 minus 5 by 2. So it will be nothing but 1 by 2 multiplied by A inverse, it is equal to half row 1 no change, row 2 also no change, minus 5 by 2, 1 and 0. Now row 3 minus row 2, so it will be plus 5 by 2, this minus this, it will be minus 1, 1 minus 0, it will be equal to 1. Now let us see, I have made everything 0, 1, 0. Now I have to convert this one to 0. So for that, a simple operation I am doing, but before that, make it 1 first. Let us make it 1. So how to make it 1? Sorry, this one to be made 1. So how to make this one? By multiplying 2. So what I will do, row 3 will be replaced by twice of row 3. So row 1 no change, 1, 0 minus 2, row 2 no change, this is 0, 1 and 5 by 2, and row 3 is replaced by twice of row 3, this is 0, 0, this is 1 multiplied by A inverse, it is equal to half, this is 0, 0, then minus 5 by 2, this is 1, this is 0, right, 5 by 2 multiplied by twice, that is 5, minus 1 multiplied by 2, which is minus 2, and this is 2. Now let me complete this one to be made to 0. So for that, what I will do, your row 3, sorry, row 2 I have to convert, row 2, it is equal to row 2 minus 5 by 2 times row 3. Let us see, this is 1, 0 minus half, this is 0 minus 5 by times 0. 1 minus 5 by 2 times 0, that is also 1. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 times 1, that is 0. 0 0 1 multiplied by A inverse, it is equal to half 0 0 this minus 5 by 2 times this. So this will become, see, I am doing it in rough, minus 5 by 2 minus this will be 25 by 2, then minus 30 by 2, which is equal to minus 15, then 1, it will minus minus, it will become plus 5 by 2 multiplied by 2, so 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6. 0 minus 5 by 2 times 2, so 0 minus 5, which is minus 5, again 5 minus 2 and 2, and the last step I have to convert this one to 0. So for that, what I will do, your row 1 to be replaced by row 1 plus 1 by 2 times row 3. This 1 plus half of 0, that is 1, this is 0 minus half plus half, that is also equal to 0, then 0 1 0, again 0 0 1 multiplied by A inverse, it is equal to this plus half of this, so 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is 6 by 2, which is 3. 0 plus half of this, so this will be minus 1. 0 plus half of this will be plus 1. Minus 15, 6 minus 5, then 5 minus 2 and 2. So this one has become I into A inverse is this 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 and 2. I into anything is that matrix only, so finally A inverse, it is equal to, I get at last it is 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5, this is 5 minus 2 and 2. Therefore this is the existence. So I will give you some homework, you try to solve. This requires a lot of practice. Today's question you will first practice twice, and also you will solve the remaining questions of this exercise, that is exercise 3.4. this is given you as homework. So your homework question is remaining questions of 3.4. okay, that's all for today. Practice it hard. This is a difficult topic, you need to do a lot of practice for this. So with the hope that you will practice it and read it seriously. This is all for today. Thank you very much.